A few months back, Starlink announced that it would be moving its satellites into low orbit to enhance their effectiveness and maybe allow like a mobile phone to connect with the network directly.
I mean, wouldn't that be something? But even Blue Origin recently announced that they plan to send some 50,000 satellites into low orbit to set up like cloud networks. I mean, it's getting pretty crowded in space. There are thousands of dead satellites and debris out there.
Now, one startup is building a space tow truck to clean up the mess and save critical orbital systems. Need of the hour, I must say.
I agree.
What if space had a tow truck? Not for cars, but for dead satellites drifting above Earth. A space technology startup called ClearSpace says that idea could change everything, making space cleaner, safer and more sustainable. At present, the Earth's orbit is crowded with thousands of defunct satellites and fragments floating in space, turning it into a cosmic junkyard.
Today, there's more than 35,000 larger objects in space that are completely uncontrollable, right? But then there's hundreds of thousands of centimeter-sized objects and millions of millimeter-sized objects in orbit, which all kind of spread across different environments. And all those objects present a risk of end of mission for a satellite or end of life for an astronaut. So we cannot continue piling up stuff without having a solution to keep this environment operational.
That's where ClearSpace comes in. The company is building a tow truck for space, which is a spacecraft designed to capture the dead satellites and drag them back into Earth's atmosphere where they can burn up safely. It may sound simple, but the technology is anything but simple. ClearSpace is developing robotic arms, autonomous navigation systems and precision capture techniques to grab objects moving at thousands of kilometers an hour.
You have to get close to an object that is orbiting, then you have to go pick it up, you have to find a way to grab it, and then once you've got it, then you can provide a service. Either you can move it, so if you move it to remove it, you slow it down, get it into Earth's atmosphere, or you push it out onto a graveyard orbit, or you can operate it longer.
The company believes this is just the beginning. Beyond cleaning up space, the same technology could be used to service satellites, refuel or repair them, and even extend their life. A whole new industry built in orbit. ClearSpace is already working with the UK Space Agency on a mission to remove defunct satellites from low Earth orbit. The plan is to capture these satellites, guide them down, and let them burn up on re-entry to the Earth's atmosphere, reducing the risk to crucial systems like GPS, weather forecasting, and emergency communications. The threat is urgent. Even a small piece of debris just a few centimeters wide can cause catastrophic damage to a satellite. And with more objects being launched every year, the risk of collision is only growing. For decades, space has been about exploration. But now, it may also need cleanup crews. And if ClearSpace succeeds in its mission, the future of space could look a lot more organized and a lot less crowded.
But the reality is that what we're building here is not just one company. It's a complete industry of servicing that will transform the way space operates tomorrow. And that will make things possible that are just not possible so far.